Welcome to the TurboTax tutorial for beginners, a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the process of filing your taxes with ease. To start, go to the TurboTax website and select the product that best fits your needs, such as TurboTax Deluxe or Premier. Once you have selected your product, click on the Start button to begin the filing process. You will be asked to create an account or log in if you already have one. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. After logging in, you will be prompted to import your W-2 form, which can be done electronically if your employer participates in the TurboTax W-2 import program. If not, you can manually enter the information from your W-2 form. Next, you will be asked about any other sources of income, such as interest from bank accounts, dividends, or self-employment income. You will also need to report any deductions or credits you are eligible for, such as the Earned Income Tax Credit or Child Tax Credit. TurboTax will guide you through the process, asking you questions and providing explanations along the way. You can also use the Help menu if you need additional assistance. As you progress through the filing process, TurboTax will calculate your tax liability and provide you with a summary of your return. You can review this summary to ensure everything is accurate before submitting your return. Once you have completed your return, you can choose to e-file or mail it to the IRS. If you owe taxes, you can pay online or set up a payment plan. If you are due a refund, you can choose to have it direct deposited into your bank account. Finally, keep in mind that TurboTax offers a maximum refund guarantee and 100% accurate calculations guarantee. If you have any issues with your return, you can contact TurboTax customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily file your taxes with TurboTax and ensure you receive the maximum refund you are eligible for.